Oh, hello there. Have you ever used the UAD Volt? Hello everyone, it's been a minute. My name is Darren and I am one of the technical supervisors at SAE Dubai, and welcome to Tech Reviews. Alright, so the UAD Volt, the one that we've added to our inventory is specifically the 276. Firstly, it looks amazing. So good job, Universal Audio. A couple other things that are really awesome is the fact that they've added a vintage and 76 compressor, which are basically emulations of the classic 610 tube preamp. Amazing stuff, by the way. 76 compressor, which is after the 1176 compressor. And if you think that your recordings sound a little too vanilla or a little too flat, you can try adding some of these to give you an amazing studio quality sound. And all of that in this lovely portable sort of package, which you can connect to a Mac, a PC, even iOS devices or iPads. So no matter what your setup is and whatever you're running, you can take full advantage of this beautiful piece of equipment. If you'd like to elevate your skills other than audio engineering, there's always a space for you at SAE Dubai. September admissions are now open. Discounts and scholarships available up to 35,000 dirhams. See you there.